In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete categories in Outlook. Categories are those color-coded labels that help you organize emails, calendar events, and tasks. If your list has grown cluttered or you've stopped using a label, removing it keeps things tidy and makes the ones you actually use easier to find. Before we begin, a quick note: deleting a category removes it from your available list so you can't assign it going forward. Items that already had that category may lose the color or simply show a plain label, depending on your Outlook version. Let's start with the classic Outlook desktop app. If your Outlook has the traditional ribbon with a Home tab, you're in the right place. On the Home tab, look for the Tags group. Click Categorize, then choose All Categories. This opens your master category list. Find the category you no longer need, select it, and click Delete. Outlook may ask you to confirm. Go ahead and confirm. If you're unsure, take a second to double-check the name before you delete so you don't remove a label you still use. When you're done, close the window, and the category will no longer appear in your list when assigning categories to items. Now let's cover New Outlook or Outlook on the web. Start by clicking the gear icon for settings in the top corner of Outlook. At the bottom of the panel, select View All Outlook Settings to open the full settings window. Depending on your version, you'll find categories under Mail or under General. Open Categories, then scan the list to find the one you want to remove. Click the trash can icon next to that category, and confirm if prompted. That's all there is to it. The change applies to your account, and it will sync across devices where you use the same Outlook account. A couple of tips to keep everything smooth. If the category still appears after deleting it, give Outlook a moment to refresh. In the desktop app, you can close and reopen Outlook. In the web app, refresh the browser tab. If you work across multiple devices, allow some time for changes to sync, especially on slower connections. And remember, if you ever decide you need a category again, you can recreate it later with the same name and color. With those steps, you've cleaned up your categories and made Outlook a little easier to navigate. Thanks for watching.